Just walk around the bike real quick.
Beautiful spot. Beautiful people. I feel the bike is in good hands. Finally.
Gabi, what does this bike mean to you?
This is childhood memories coming together to me.
So back in home, this was your thing?
Yeah, I used to have this bike, but with 50 cc's, not with 900 cc's.
Yeah.
So coming back, closing the circle. And I was terrorized by other shops. I'm so happy to be here. These guys know what they are doing. So professional. Everything is precise. Finally, I feel like I'm home and the bike is going to be treated as it should.
Any last words?
Stay tuned.
You're not gonna see her for a bit.
More videos to come.
Yeah.
You'll see it when it's running. It's perfect. Next time.
Alex is already working on it. This bike has 900cc overbore kit and a bunch of other goodies. Everything is going to be replaced on this bike. Fenders, paint work, every nut bolt. This is going to be a magazine quality content coming up for you guys. Gabi, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Not selling the bike ever, guys.
already disclosed.
All right, guys.
All right.
See you what in 3 weeks?
Yeah, right. 3 weeks.